Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now, with the recent interest in VPNs rising, a lot of you guys have been asking me for a guide on VPNs, what they are, and how they work. So today's video is going to be all about that. I'll dive through all the ins and the outs of VPNs and explain what they do and where they could be useful. And I'll also be giving you my top 3 VPN picks a little bit later in the video in case you want some recommendations and go over what they have to offer in terms of features and budget so that you could pick the one which works best for you. Of course, if you're interested in any of the VPNs I'm going to mention and would like to know more about them, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. Alright, so what exactly is a VPN? Well, a VPN, a virtual private network, is basically a tool that helps keep your online activities private by acting like a secret tunnel on the internet. When you use a VPN, it takes your internet data and scrambles it up, making it pretty hard for others to understand what you're doing, like your ISP or your government. They won't be able to know what you're doing online as a result of being connected to the VPN. To give you an example to better understand this, imagine you're sending a postcard through the mail, and anyone who handles the postcard can see what's written on it. That's sort of what it's like being online without a VPN. Now, if you put a postcard in a locked box, only you and the person with the key can see the message. And that's exactly what a VPN does for your internet data. Only you and the receiver can clearly see your data, but everyone else in the process just sees incoherent jumbles of data. Besides that, a VPN also makes it seem like you're using the internet from somewhere else. So let's say you're in New York and you connect to a VPN server in New Jersey, for example. To websites, it looks like you're browsing from New Jersey and not New York. And this helps you stay more private online. It can also help you see websites or watch videos that are not available in your home country. The best example here would be streaming services like Netflix, which have different libraries based on your location. Let's say I'm in Spain right now and I want to watch Japanese Netflix. All I have to do is connect to a Japanese server and go back to Netflix and click refresh, and this will basically change my entire library to that of Japan because as far as Netflix is concerned, I'm accessing the platform from Japan. That being said, most streaming services nowadays actually have firewalls that stop VPN traffic from accessing their websites, and so you're going to need a VPN with obfuscated servers that can mask your encrypted traffic and make it look completely normal to get past the firewalls. Just keep that in mind when looking for a VPN for streaming, and of course the VPNs I'm going to be recommending in a few moments all do have obfuscated servers. Okay, so in short, a VPN is a tool that scrambles up your data, encrypts it, and keeps it private, as well as making it look like you're browsing the internet from a different location. So between your device and the internet, your data passes through your ISP, and anyone else potentially snooping in on your network can see what you're doing online. And whatever you do on the internet can be linked back to your IP address, whereas when you're using a VPN, your IP address will be completely hidden, and the IP address that you'll be using on the websites is going to be the IP address that belongs to the VPN server. Alright, now that you know what a VPN does, it really depends on what you're looking for as far as which VPN to get. Out of all the VPNs that I've tested, I found ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark to be consistently the best. All 3 of these have lightning fast speeds, audited no logs policies, plenty of obfuscated servers, and all the necessary security features such as the kill switch. But of course, they vary in what they have to offer in terms of budget and bonus features, so I'm going to talk briefly about each of them so that you can pick the VPN which works best for you. Starting with ExpressVPN, this is going to be the best performing, easiest to use, and most secure VPN on this list. It has the most verified no logs policy due to an incident back in 2017 where the Turkish government actually seized one of their servers as part of an investigation, only to find nothing on the server. Aside from that, Express is also the fastest when it comes to connecting and disconnecting from servers. Other VPNs generally take around 5 to 10 seconds to connect, and Express does it pretty consistently in less than a second or two. Personally speaking, this snappiness and responsiveness is why I consider Express to be my go-to VPN, because it really feels like it's part of your computer rather than a third-party application. Now, as far as servers go, Express has over 3,000 servers in 105 different countries, and this huge amount of locations will allow you to access more content globally. Besides that, Express is the overall best choice if you're looking for an easy to use plug-and-play VPN, because it stays away from the more advanced settings that don't interest most beginner or intermediate users. All you gotta do is open up the app, connect to a server, and that's about it. Now, this does mean that it doesn't have a lot of the bonus features like specialty servers or meshnet, but it does have all the essentials like a kill switch, plenty of servers that are optimized for all uses instead of just specialty servers, split tunneling, and top-of-the-line protocols. Not to mention that very recently, ExpressVPN launched their Identity Defender, which tracks your ID and your social security number for fraud and guides you through the next steps. They also help in case of identity theft and have a data removal service where they can wipe out your information from any people search websites or data brokerage databases. Just keep in mind that this feature has rolled out just for US users, and they plan on expanding it to more countries and users in the near future. So overall, Express is a high-performance VPN with a strong emphasis on security as well as ease of use, and I would especially recommend it if you're a privacy-conscious individual. Alright, so next up we have NordVPN, which is going to be the fastest, most valuable VPN on this list. When it comes to speed, Nord is the fastest out of the 3 VPNs thanks to its NordLynx protocol, which makes it a very good option for streaming, gaming, and torrenting. Nord also has the largest list of countries out of the 3 VPNs. It has over 7,000 servers in 111 different countries, which again will give you access to a lot of content. Besides that, you'll get a lot of bonus features like an app kill switch on top of the conventional kill switch, threat protection that blocks ads and malware, and a bunch of specialty servers like Onion over VPN, Double VPN, and P2P servers. And similar to Express, Nord has also launched their identity protection feature recently, and it functions pretty much the same as Express VPNs, but you also get a cyber extortion protection as well as expert advice for these sort of situations. So it's a little bit more fleshed out than Express VPNs. So if you're looking for the fastest, best value VPN that has a lot of bonus features and options that you don't get with most VPNs, then I'd go with Nord. And lastly, we have Surfshark, which is going to be the best budget option out of the 3. The thing is that despite being so affordable, Surfshark does not sacrifice security or performance to cut costs, and it even offers a bunch of bonus features like specialty servers, web protection, and an ad blocker. Now, although it's not typically as fast as Nord or Express, it still is really fast and outperforms most VPNs on the market. Aside from that, Surfshark will allow you to secure an unlimited number of devices with 1 subscription, as opposed to Nord's 10 device limit and ExpressVPN's 8 device limit. So it's basically the best option if you're looking for a fast, low budget VPN that gets the job done at the best possible cost without sacrificing security or any important features. And the cherry on top is that you can share it with your friends and family. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use the links in the description to grab yourself the best discounts available and check out the full reviews if you want to know more about these VPNs. Besides that, like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and let me know down in the comments if there's anything cybersecurity that you'd like me to cover. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.